Today we'll talk about how can you enable vibration on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to vibration here, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's main vibration enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.